Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs in a Honda Accord V6. First, gather your essential tools like a spark plug socket, extension, and a torque wrench. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work on your vehicle. Next, locate the 6 ignition coils on top of your V6 engine. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from each coil by pressing the release tab. Then, use a 10mm socket to remove the single mounting bolt holding each coil pack in place. Gently pull each coil straight up and out to expose the spark plugs underneath. Now it's time to install your new spark plugs. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new plug. Carefully hand-tighten each spark plug into its cylinder head to prevent cross-threading. Once snug, use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specification, typically 13 foot-pounds, ensuring a secure seal. Finally, reassemble everything in reverse order. Carefully push each ignition coil back into place, ensuring it seats properly over the spark plug. Reinstall the mounting bolts and reconnect all electrical connectors. Don't forget to securely reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine to confirm everything is running smoothly. Also, check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.